Hello children, I welcome you all again to the science class. This is your second period and we have learnt many things regarding some safety measures that should be taken inside our home. Yes? So children, let us continue with the same chapter. Which chapter we are doing? We are doing chapter 3, Safety and First Aid, in which we have learnt in the last class how do accidents occur. We have learned how do accidents occur. That means if we are not careful and if we are in hurry, accidents may occur. So you need to be very careful. Safety rules to be followed at home we have done, where we have learned to take different safety measures at home, and what we learned what should be touched and what not should be touched. So children, in today's class we will learn safety rules to be followed on the playground and safety rules on the road. So let us proceed to our class. Safety rules to be followed on the playground. So I know that we all want to play. We love to play, yes, and playing is the one of the most important exercise also. But there are certain safety rules that we need to follow. So following safety rules on the playground will help you to have fun and enjoy without getting hurt or upset. So there are certain safety rules which you need to follow on the playground, which will help you to have lots of fun and you will not get hurt and you will not end with upsetness. So let us see. Stay away from barbed wires and hedges, as you may hurt yourself if you fall on them. So you know this barbed wires and hedges, they contain very sharp things. They are very sharp. These wires are very sharp. Yes. So if you fall, do you know, I have once fell in these wires and I have cut my hand so badly, and like I have to go to the doctor, I have to take the injection of TT. So these things happen. When I was very small, I slipped and my hand, I hurt myself on this barbed wires. I am not telling you a fake story, I am telling you a true story. So you should be very careful. So you should not go nearby these wires. Okay, you shouldn't go nearby these wires, because you may hurt yourself if you fall on these wires. Now next, never go alone for a swim. Take care to swim at the shallow end. So please don't go to swim alone, and if you go to swim with your friends also, don't swim on the deep end. Please swim at the shallow end. Shallow means it shouldn't be deep. Okay, so please don't go swimming alone and please don't swim at deep. You can see in the picture that the friends are pushing each other. So do you think it is good? No, it is not good. Yes, so never push others while playing on the swings, merry-go-rounds and slides. Always wait for your turn. Always follow the rules of the game and do not fight while playing. So please don't push each other while playing on the swings or merry-go-round or slides or anywhere. Please don't push to each other. And please wait for your turn and always follow the rule of the game. We know that each game have its own rule. So you have to, if you follow the rule of the game, you will not get into danger and you don't have to fight with each other if you wait for your turn, right? So children, those were the rules to be followed in the playground. Now we will see the rules to be followed on the road. You can see two girls are there. They are crossing through the pedestrian street, or you can say zebra crossing also. And in the second picture, the boy is running in the middle of the road. That is very bad. Yes. And in the third picture, you can see a boy is playing with his football on the road. That is very dangerous. And in the fourth picture, you can see a girl. One girl is walking on the footpath and another girl is walking on the road. That is also, the first girl is very smart, yes, and the second girl is not so smart. So the third and the fourth picture are also very dangerous. You should always walk on the footpath and you should not walk on the middle of the road. So children, safety rules on the road. Some of the rules which could be followed while walking on the road are: always walk on the footpath or the side of the street. So always you should walk on the footpath or on the side of the street. Never walk in the middle of the road. You can see that the first boy, this boy, yes, this boy is walking on the footpath, so it is very good. She is crossing using zebra crossing, that is also very good. But this boy is walking on the middle of the road and it may cause accident. So you should always walk on the footpath or the side of the road, or you should not walk in the middle of the road. Now next, safety rules on the road are: walk towards the traffic so that you can see it. You should walk towards the traffic so that you can see the rule of the traffic, what traffic is saying. Always cross the road at the pedestrian crossing and only when the light is green for you to cross. Obviously, if you have to cross the road, you have to cross to the pedestrian crossing, or you can say zebra crossing also. And when the light is green for you, when the light is red, you should not cross. We have learned traffic light, yes, you should not cross the road. And when the light is green for you, at that time only you should cross the road. Next children, next safety rules on the road is: in case there is no pedestrian light, then you have to look to your left and right and then left again and then cross if the road is clear. You can see a little cartoon, yes, it is looking to the left and it is looking to the right because it wants to cross the road. So in the same manner, if you are not using pedestrian light, at that time you have to look to the left and to the right, again to the left to cross the road, and you should cross when the road is clear. Never fly kites on the terrace or on the road. You may fall off or get hit by vehicles passing by. So please don't fly kites on the terrace or on the road. Otherwise you may fall and you may get hit by the vehicles. So never lean out of the window of a moving vehicle as you may hurt yourself. You can see that two boys are there. One boy is leaning out of the window and that is very dangerous, yes, as a moving vehicle may pass and may hurt you. So please don't lean out of the window and never get in or out from a moving bus. You can see a little boy is getting out from a moving bus, so please don't do that. That is very dangerous. You may fall also. So children, whatever we have learned today for the safety rules on the road and safety rules while playing, safety rules in our home, all these are not for the book only. You should be following this. These all are very much important for your life. Okay, I hope all these things are clear to you all. So I will see you in the next science class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you everyone.